Stop! Before your next international flight, watch this video. Picture this. You're at airport immigration. The officer asks a simple question in English. Your mind goes blank. You start sweating, while a long line waits behind you. This happens to thousands of English learners every day. Airport staff use specific phrases you've never heard in textbooks. Here's the secret. There are only 35 phrases you need to master. That's it. 35 phrases. From check-in to your seat. With zero stress. This is day 5 of our 30-day challenge to speak English fluently. Speaking at the airport. In 10 minutes, you'll learn every phrase real travelers use. Ready? Let's start shadowing now. I'd like to check in for my flight. I'd like to check in for my flight. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here's my passport and boarding pass. Here's my passport and boarding pass. Here's my passport and boarding pass. I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Where do I drop off my luggage? Where do I drop off my luggage? Where do I drop off my luggage? How much does my bag weigh? How much does my bag weigh? How much does my bag weigh? Can I carry this on board? Can I carry this on board? Can I carry this on board? Which gate is my flight? Which gate is my flight? Which gate is my flight? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? Excellent. You just mastered check-in conversations. Feel that confidence building? These phrases work at any airport worldwide. Now let's tackle security and immigration, the area that makes most travelers nervous. Ready for the next 15? I need to go through security. I need to go through security. I need to go through security. Can I keep my shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Where do I put my laptop? Where do I put my laptop? Where do I put my laptop? Is this line for international flights? Is this line for international flights? Is this line for international flights? Here's my passport, please. Here's my passport, please. Here's my passport, please. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for business. I'm here for business. I'm here for business. I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 1 week. I'm staying for 1 week. I'm staying for 1 week. Yes, I'm traveling alone. Yes, I'm traveling alone. Yes, I'm traveling alone. No, I'm traveling with my family. No, I'm traveling with my family. No, I'm traveling with my family. Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket. Yes, I have my hotel reservation. Yes, I have my hotel reservation. Yes, I have my hotel reservation. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. These are personal items only. These are personal items only. These are personal items only. Perfect. Security and immigration conversations are now in your muscle memory. You're speaking like a seasoned traveler. Notice how simple these phrases are? That's the power of knowing exactly what to say. Final 10 phrases. Let's master boarding and flight conversations. Excuse me, is this gate B12? Excuse me, is this gate B12? Excuse me, is this gate B12? When do we start boarding? When do we start boarding? When do we start boarding? Can I see your boarding pass? Can I see your boarding pass? Can I see your boarding pass? This is my seat 14A. This is my seat 14A. This is my seat 14A. Can you help me with my bag? Can you help me with my bag? Can you help me with my bag? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? What time do we land? What time do we land? What time do we land? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Outstanding. You've just mastered 35 essential airport phrases. From check-in to landing, you're now equipped for confident airport communication. Feel that transformation? Let's put it all together in real conversations. Dialogue 1, check-in counter. First stop, check-in. I'll be the passenger, and Mark is the counter staff. Listen carefully and shadow along with us, sentence by sentence. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Can I see your passport and boarding pass?
Here's my passport and boarding pass.
Any bags to check today?
I have one bag to check.
Would you prefer window or aisle?
Can I get a window seat?
Perfect. Your flight is on time, gate B12.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding begins at 2:30 p.m.
Dialogue 2, immigration and security. This is the part that makes everyone a bit nervous, but not you. Now shadow along with us.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 2 weeks.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm traveling alone.
Do you have a return ticket?
Here's my return ticket. Excuse me, where do I put my laptop?
In a separate bin, please.
Can I keep my shoes on?
Yes, you can keep them on.
Amazing. Did you notice how naturally each phrase fit into the conversation? You were shadowing with me the whole way, like a real traveler. Let's run through that journey one more time, at natural speed. Tomorrow is day 6, another essential life skill that will boost your confidence. Don't break the chain. Like this video if you feel more confident, subscribe for tomorrow's lesson. Comment with one phrase you'll use on your next trip. See you tomorrow. Keep shadowing.